Hi, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. I decided to make this studio Vlogmas because I'm going to be showing you how I made some clay pens. I have a new shop that's opened, so I'm really excited to show you what I'm going to be selling in my Etsy store. And of course, I wanted to start out the video with a bit of journaling because I have this goal to journal every day of December. So I absolutely love this little cat and flower from Playworks studio in Chiang Mai, Thailand. I bought a lot of cute stationery from there when I was there at the beginning of the year before COVID, and I'm just now pulling it out to use. I am very random sometimes, and I don't even wear jewelry that much, but I got into this just a couple weeks ago making resin necklaces, and I'm really excited because I love freshly pressed flowers, and I've always wanted to be able to do something with the dried flowers I keep and then have an excuse to press flowers. And so I just discovered resin and making resin jewelry, so I decided to open up an Etsy shop, and today I got in this really beautiful tissue with plants, a plant pattern, and I also ordered this flowery vine, and it's a paper, and so I just thought, how cute would that be? I'm going to get a sticker, of course. I'm going to make Latte Dot Shop stickers and put it on there. But yeah. So I'm excited to be selling these in my store, and I will put the link to it below. Also, I've been making clay pens, a lot of clay pens, and my first batch, though cute, didn't turn out that great. So this is my second batch of clay pens, and I got UV resin for it. The first batch I tried just regular resin, and it didn't dry very well. So the UV resin, you put in under a UV lamp, and it cures faster, and so I've gotten a more even resin coating on these pens. So what I do is I make a little clay thing to hold on to, and then I can paint them with the resin, put in the UV lamp, and tomorrow I'll show you how they turned out. So I figured that these white cards, I have a bunch of these white cards that I use to make flashcards sometimes when I'm learning random things, and I thought these are the perfect size to use in my journal, and I am going to be painting some little mushrooms because I couldn't think of anything else to paint, and since I had to do this video in a short amount of time, I didn't want to take the time to try to figure out what I was going to paint. So I'm painting mushrooms. They're just the simplest thing to paint, and they look pretty because you can do all different kinds of colors, and then I'm putting a few flowers down here. So I'm just using, I forget the kind of gouache. What is the name? I'm sorry, I'm blanking out. It's so late tonight, and I shouldn't be up doing this because I have to teach in the morning, but I really wanted to finish this video so I could post it in the morning. This is gouache, and it's a cheap kind of gouache, and I'm sorry that I can't remember the name. Reeves, that's it. Reeves gouache. Also, so far I think my favorite thing to do with these Vlogmas videos is to pick out music to go with them. I got a subscription to Epidemic Sound for the month, and yeah, it's been really fun to find new music on there. is what the finished spread looks like. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!